You learn how to add page numbers in documents in Microsoft Word mobile app. And here I'm using Word mobile for Android, okay? So, but if you have iPhone, it still works fine. The first step is to get to the application, okay? And ensure it's updated through the App Store or Play Store, okay? So here is my Word app. I will tap on it. Once the Word app opens, you can tap on Create, select blank document, and create your document. But here, I want to experiment with the document I have here already, the one named Sample Doc. So I will tap on it. So here the document has opened. I have structured this the way I want it. So the next step is that I need to tap on the pencil-like icon at the top so that I will be able to edit this. All right, so I will tap on it. Okay, so I will tap on a spot in the document, and after that, tap on the arrow that points up, okay, before the keyboard section. On tapping there, you will know the tab you are on. So here I'm on the Home tab, but we're going to do this through the Insert tab. So I will tap on that Home, then I will select Insert. Alright, on selecting Insert, scroll down until you see page number. So tap on that page number. On tapping on page number, you will see the first section telling you to select where you want the number to be added. The first one says that the number will be at the top right, at the top left. Then the second says at the top center. But this one here is the one I want us to use, which will make the page number to be at the bottom center. So I will tap on it. Okay, then once you tap on that, the next step is to tap on the page number option again. Okay, then on tapping that, you see the number format section. All right, so that number format section 1 2 3 that you can see on the screen right now is selected as default. But if you want something different, tap on the arrow on that 1 2 3. Okay, the arrow pointing towards the right. On tapping there, you will see different styles of numbering you can choose. You have the 1, 2, 3, you have this second style, you have ABC in small letters, you have ABC in capital letters, and you have Roman figures or numeral. So it's a choice. So I want us to go with the second on this list. So I will tap on it. And with this, you can see this page number is added here. So I will double tap on the middle of the document, and you can see I have number 1 here. If I scroll, I have number 2 there. So it's just two pages of the document. So it's as simple as that. So do that and you get the task done. Okay, so after that, let me tap on the tick sign at the top left, and everything is saved. I hope this helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. See you some other time.